Hi, good evening. Welcome to Easy Money. Post market report from Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Well, at the outset, I want to wish each one of you a very happy, prosperous, and a great Akshaya Tritiya. Let this festival bring a lot of wealth, health, and prosperity to each one of you. And thank you for watching my Easy Money program regularly and even forwarding it to as many people as possible. Your comments, your encouragement, and your forwards gives me and my team to present this Easy Money every day with great motivation. Keep doing it, and also new subscribers, do not forget to forward this to as many people as possible and join hands with us to spread the right financial literacy. Well, if you see market today, Nifty was a very flat close. Nifty today closed at 14,678, down 19 points, whereas Bank Nifty closed at 32,170 and it was down 283 points. For me, this was a flat trading day. However, if you see for option sellers, Friday normally is a great day, and please make note Friday the theta decay or the time decay is very high, and the theta benefit to option sellers will be very, very high. In fact, in my option made easy programs, I would describe to you each one of them in a separate video. But do make note, Friday is very good for weekly option sellers to sell options and make money, because theta will always be benefiting option sellers and time decay will be very, very powerful, especially for weekly options, and that too on Friday. But however, as an option seller, always catch a sideways market. Like today, after the open market hardly moved up, down, and finally Nifty closed very flat, down about 17, 18 points. But that acted as a very, very strong time decay factor, and option sellers could make money. Today, I even gave a live call in my Twitter handle, I am Rudramurthy, which I have mentioned in the description. And during live market hours, I clearly told to sell put options and eat the time decay, and clear levels were also mentioned, which you can watch in my Twitter handle. Let me also tell you that COVID cases, the number of active cases coming up every day is now for the third consecutive day below 3,50,000. Is this telling us that we are now peaking, and slowly we are able to see even the number of recoveries every day is definitely above the number of new active cases getting added, which is a very positive sign. Kerala, Maharashtra, and many more states are extending their lockdown. And after ICMR chief Bhargava told that we require 6 to 8 weeks of lockdown in most of the districts where more than 10% of tested cases are coming active. If you see FII data today, they are sellers to the extent of 2,608 crore, which is not good. But today, DIIs were on the buy side and they have bought 613 crore. But if you see this data, 2,600 crore of selling from FII and about 600 crore of buying from DII, then who bought the other 2,000 crore? Yes, retailers are very strong and active in market, but however, this time it has been more a stock specific market, where stocks like Asian Paint today was up close to 10%, UPL was again up close to 10%, and both were available in futures. Traders who understand chart reading very well, and those who understand even F&O data, that is futures and option market, those who understand open interest, and when you know all these things which are too simple, and if you watch Easy Money you will get them. And in each of these videos I'm putting my effort to get you each of these learnings of mine with 18 years of experience now in stock market coming to you through Easy Money. And I will teach you each of these points in my program And if you see the open interest data also, especially for someone who understands futures and option market, hell lot of money and opportunity is there irrespective of whether market goes up or it comes down. Many of you may not be even knowing, even in a falling market we can make money by going short in futures or taking correct positions in options market through right strategies. All these things will be coming up in lot of videos which I'll present to you in future. And for me today is the second day, and I warned you day before that first signs of some profit booking is coming in steel sector, and it is providing you great opportunity to buy on dips for those people who have missed this huge rally in steel stocks. Let me give you levels in our chart check, and I want you to make note of these levels. For me, SAIL is an excellent buy. Steel Authority of India in the range between 80 rupees to 100 rupees. I repeat, SAIL between 80 to 100 rupees is an excellent buy, and any dips to these levels in this correction for long-term investors is a great opportunity to invest in this huge bull market run which we have in steel stocks. Similarly, Tata Steel for me offers a great entry at any levels between 700 to 900 rupees. So any correction to these levels of 700 to 900 on Tata Steel for long-term investors will be a great buying opportunity. Now I know some of you will tell, what if Rudra Steel does not come to that level of 80 to 100? What if Tata Steel does not correct to those levels of 700 to 900? No worries. If not these two stock, we have something else which will come to our range. But do you have the patience to wait for it and make the research on what levels to buy and what levels not to buy? Also, if you cannot get that perfect entries and if stock does not come there, at least manage with quantity. This is what we mean by position sizing. So if you want to buy, let us say 100 shares, and if the price is not at your level, then buy only 10 or 20 shares. By having a lesser quantity, you are giving a deeper fall in the stock, even not to affect you. So what is that small quantity? Depends upon what is your normal quantity. So if your normal quantity is, let us say, 100 share, rather than buying 100 share at these prices, even if you buy 10 or 20 shares, which is only 10 to 20%, so you are giving more fall in the stock price to happen, but not to affect your normal quantities. So this is how position sizing indirectly plays as a good stop loss. So people have to learn about position sizing and stop loss, and many of these videos I will be coming out on Saturdays and Sundays for your educational learning. And also let me tell you, Yes Bank, some of them are writing to me in comment section, can we hold Yes Bank for long term now? Let us see what will happen 3 years later, 5 years later. Now please understand, no one bought Yes Bank actually for next 3 years, 5 years. They bought for 1 day, 1 week, 15 days, 1 month, and because Yes Bank came down in that time period, now people have become long term investors in Yes Bank. Let me tell you, don't ever hold these type of stocks, and when you bought it for trading short term, just because the stock price came down, now you became long term investors in this stock. So the biggest learning what you have to take from today's easy money is, never convert your trading ideas into investment ideas because it is in loss, nor make your investment ideas into trading ideas because you have some small profit in it. So you have to understand time frame and stay with trading ideas as trading ideas and investing ideas as investing ideas. Don't ever interchange, and having the right process is very important. Result will automatically follow. And many a times people ask, non-stop without even a small cut in a single stretch, how do you do this type of programs, Rudra? And you give so much of content with so much of energy. And let me tell you, people can copy everything, but never the energy and the passion what I have to serve people like you and to make you people rich, profitable, wealthy traders and investors. Always I say passion and the true energy what you have can never be copied. And people ask me, Rudra, how do you talk non-stop without even cut joining in between? Very simple. If the tank is full, water will come from the tap. If the tank is empty, only air will come from the tap. I'm sure each one of you understand the true passion and the purpose with which I've come here to give you unlimited knowledge or unlimited profits. I always say learn unlimited, earn unlimited. And guys, on this auspicious Akshaya Tritiya day, I want each one of you to invest your time on yourself, invest your money on yourself, because for me, you are the most precious asset, and that gives the highest return on investment. As Buffett so beautifully says, the highest return on investment comes when you invest on yourself. Again, wishing you a very happy, healthy, wealthy, and a prosperous Akshaya Tritiya day. Tomorrow, without fail, watch for a video on option trading, and that's the second class on option trading which I'll be uploading. More information to you always through Easy Money. Keep writing your comments on the program and also on the stock what you want to look for in our chart analysis. Hope today's program has added tons of value to you, lot of new learnings to you. Watch it again and make lot of notes, and always multiply on this Akshaya Tritiya day and every day your knowledge, always for unlimited learning. Signing off, Rudramurthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.